Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. Charge the case and earbuds to at least half so the process won't abort. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep the device's Bluetooth settings open. Open the Beats Fit Pro case, leave the buds inside, then press and hold the small system button on the case until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode, so the headphones become discoverable to non-Apple or new devices. You now switch to the device's Bluetooth list and scan for new devices. Make sure the list refreshes so the Beats Fit Pro appears. When you see Beats Fit Pro, tap or click it. This initiates the handshake. Confirm any pairing prompts that appear and grant required permissions, like contacts or media, if the device asks. This ensures full feature access. Once paired, the LED will settle and the device will show as connected, meaning audio routing is active. You finish by testing audio and microphone. Play a track and make a short call to verify left and right channels and mic input. If the Beats Fit Pro won't connect, reset them by holding the system button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks differently. Then retry pairing. If problems persist, make sure the buds have the latest firmware via the Beats or manufacturer app. Because firmware updates fix many connectivity quirks, restart both devices after an update to stabilize the connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.